I'm always wondering if it's ever gonna end. I can feel it in my bones. I can feel it in my bones. Standing in the
Dagger and Mala
dark
have known each other a few months, and they can't stand to be apart. We've known each other our whole lives.
I can
It's
see you in
and I've
my
never felt further away from you.
I can see you in my soul. Did we take too many chances? Did we let too many pass us? Did we throw it all away? Did we throw it all away? Did we light too many matches? Turn ourselves into these ashes? Did we throw it all away?
I'm with
Did
you.
we throw it all away?
We walk through the fire. Is there a way out? Is there a way out? We walk through the fire. Is there a way out? Is there a way out of the fire?
I've been taking you for granted. I have, and I realize that today. I couldn't have done any of this without you, Astrid. Not the Dragon Riders or the Edge. You've always been there for me, and I want to always be there for you. I love you, Astrid Hofferson, with everything I have, and I always will.